Hello everybody. In this video, we'll discuss one problem. One problem we'll discuss on the maths and math subject. What is the topic? The topic is on trigonometry. On trigonometric concept, we'll discuss one problem. Given secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 5 and cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 3. We have to find the value of secant theta plus tan theta into cosecant theta plus cos theta. This we have to find. Here minus is there, but we are asked to find both plus. So we are solving. First we will take secant one. Secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 5. So next, as there is a trigonometric identity, we have three trigonometric identities. So what is the trigonometric identity? Which relationship between secant and tan? Secant and tan relationship. So what is it? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. This is the relation, right? This is the relation. But here we can see that a square minus b square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write this as secant theta. A square minus b square, what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. This is the formula. As this is in the form of a square minus b square, we can write it as a plus b into a minus b. If we solve this, again this secant square theta minus tan square theta will get. So as given, secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 5. We can substitute here. So secant theta plus tan theta into 5 is equals to 1. So we will take, as here directly in question it is there that secant theta plus tan theta we want. Already we are getting here secant theta plus tan theta is equals to 5. We can send this side, so it will become 1 by 5. Yes. First secant theta minus tan theta is equals to given 5. 5 I have written. Again after this direct step I am saying 5 we can send to the RHS. It is multiplying with the secant theta plus tan theta. When it goes to the RHS, it becomes divided by. Yes, it becomes divided by. So secant theta plus tan theta value is 1 by 5. This value is 1 by 5. Now same as it is procedure for cosecant theta minus cot theta will do. What is the trigonometric identity? That formula related to the relationship between cosecant theta and cot theta. Relationship between cosecant theta and cot theta. So cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1, as we know, 1. Again this is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write it as a plus b into a minus b. Again cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta. First we are taking plus minus cot theta is equals to 1. This is the trigonometric identity. We are writing this a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. This is the direct formula is this. So next step. Given cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 3. This value is been given. So cosecant theta plus cot theta into 3 is equals to 1. So we want only the value of cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to 1 by 3. This formula is 1 by 3. So how 1 by 3 means? The 3 here it is multiplication with cosecant theta plus cot theta. When it goes to the RHS, it becomes divided by. Yes, it becomes divided by. So this value is 1 by 3. As we got here, this value is 1 by 3. Now last final step is what? We are doing a final step. They have the multiplication. Multiplication of secant theta plus tan theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta. Secant theta plus tan theta value is 1 by 5 into cosecant theta plus cot theta. What is the value? It is 1 by 3. So what is the answer? 1 into 1. 1 by 15. So your answer is 1 by 15. The final answer is this. 1 by 15. In this video, we have seen one example problem related to trigonometry maths. Thank you.